Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, chesh yak shimash, good day, annyeong, and shalom. So what have I got for you today? I have got just a short video, just a short one, that's what he said, and it is the scariest, ugliest money box I've ever seen in my entire life, and here it is. This is it. I think it's called Fairbank. God knows. It is a funny and beautiful design. The room will be more elegant by the piggy bank. Stick your hand in, sensors will sense and automatically switch the port. Insert coins, the piggy bank will eat them, lovely and interesting. Literal translations there on the box, which really do not make much sense. They come in different colors. We've got plain ones, or we've got like brick wall ones. And yeah, I saw this advertised and I was like, my gosh, that is so scary looking. So let's open the box. I couldn't remember which one I'd bought, but it's the red brick wall one. That is so freaky. It's like something out of a horror movie. Right, let's take the packaging off. Oop. There we go, that's now closed. So what do we have here? We have this latexy rubbery shape with this mouth and two eyes, and it's got like a red brick pattern to it. Black on the sides and the back and the underneath. There's an on and off switch there on the back. And then this then is where you put the batteries. It takes 3 AA, so let me get them. Okay, very easy to put the batteries in. Pop that on. Okay, let's switch it on. And that is freaky. Money comes out on the bottom here. There's a clip, and that's where the coins go. Not much capacity on it, is it really, considering the size of it? That's a bit disappointing. You're not going to be able to put much money in there. Considering the size of the box, the coin capacity is tiny. Oh well, I guess it is just a novelty. Let's slide that back in. Now let's get some coins and give it a go. Okay, so I decided to put you on this angle to see it, and I've got a number of coins here. So let's try it with a penny coin. That is freaky. Okay, I've just moved you closer. Let's put a 2p coin in. That was a bit too quick.
Oh, it's the eyes that freak me out. I think it's better if you kind of like put it on the edge, maybe. You must just keep going. You must have some sort of sensor on it or something, I don't know. think he's stuck.
Right, okay. Spit that out. Let's open the bag. Yeah, there's coins wedged up it. Gosh, they are wedged. Hang on, I need to get a screwdriver for this. Oh, God. There is a 2p coin wedged. That is wedged. Hang on, let me get a little pliers. If you are going to buy one of these money boxes, make sure you buy a little pair of pliers as well. There we go. That's all the money out of him. So we managed to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins. And that was the end of that. And I can't see anything else inside him. So let's put the battery back in that fell out. Let's put the battery compartment back in that fell out. Let's put the money box back in that fell out. The money holder. Okay, there we go. So it appears that it's not very good with big coins, but I'll take out the 2 pences. And we've just got 1 pence and a 20 pence. I thought there was another 20 pence piece. I'd already put in a 20 pence piece, so where's that? Probably still stuck inside it. Right, okay. Is he on? Yes, let's try him again. Oh no, I see there was something stuck inside. I can see coins inside him. Wedged. Okay, maybe it's only a good idea to put 1 in at a time and wait for him to eat it all until you hear it clunk to the back, bottom. So I think you should shake it after you use it. So let's see if I can get the rest of these coins in.
So for goodness sake, I'm not able to get these 2 pences in, but one at a time.
Let's quickly finish this off. So there we go, that pretty much sums up this money box. Let's open up the money slot. Oh, there we go. So that's it. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 coins in of that mix. So you should really put them in one at a time, give it a shake, and make sure that it goes down to the bottom before you start feeding it the next one. I'm turning that off. The actual area where the money is stored, that is just stupidly too small. You couldn't save much in there whatsoever. It should have been deeper. To be able to put the money in, so that's a bit dumb, really. I guess what you could do is, if you made a slot at the top of this box and kept it on there, then the money would fall down into this bigger box. So it would kind of like, you could do it that way to store more money in. I guess that's the only thing you could do, really, if you wanted to use it practically, is to use the box as the actual container where you keep the money in, where it falls down into. But then again, I would still shake it after each use, but that's the only practical thing I can think of. It is just a bit of tat. Where's it made? Made in China. I mean, it's just a waste of plastic, really, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? That's just a waste of the environment. I mean, it's a bit of a novelty, I guess, but yeah. Yes, I think we'll stop the video there and just carry on. So there we go. That is the ugly, scariest money box in the world. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to rig it up so it'll drop the money into the box, and I'm going to keep it here on the back behind. But yes, yeah, there's not much else I can say about this, so I'm really going to end the video. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you stuck through it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye, y'all.